I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. This time we'll be doing the Ciare. Yeah, we made the box, and we got of course y'all know we got the speakers got a little dust on them, but that's alright. So we outside on the work table, and got a little box for it just to do this. So we got the two Ciare tweeters right here, and the Ciare 6.5. Y'all know I leave the links down below on which one exactly it is. Let me get that information. I might get that information right here. Let y'all look at the box. It's a neodymium. It's called a woofer. So it didn't really say a mid bass or nothing like that, but as y'all can see right there, I'll let y'all go. I'll leave a link down below so y'all can go check that out. All right, let's get the tweeter. Let me get the box for that too. Y'all see the dust. Okay, all right, right there we got that. So that way y'all can see the product number or whatnot. If y'all want to go check that out. Well, so y'all know exactly where to go to. Be sure to like, subscribe. Alright, let's go ahead and get this going. Y'all know I try to play the copyright free music. Y'all bear with me. course, y'all know I got this set of tweeters right here on the 3500. And these 6.5 on the 3500. So don't do this at home. Just for testing purposes only. So don't try this. You know what I mean? You can if you want to, but it's up to you how it turn out. Definitely I wouldn't recommend that, but that's just what I got for right now to test this out on. But it's working out well. You know, I'm trying to, you know, I have went through a set of horns before, but that's neither here nor there. So we're gonna keep on going. Let's go ahead and let's find some more songs right quick. Guys, y'all see, y'all can take that video and let me know what y'all think about the quality of these speakers right here. I'm gonna leave y'all a link down below. I'm gonna try to do one more.
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.